surface wear isn't something that most people are aware of, but it's something that all car engines experience. Where the idea came from is actually thinking about these tiny little surfaces rubbing against each other. And we thought that must create the worst sound imaginable. The aim was to create a sculpture that would change and react to those sounds. MLF, the directors, then proposed that we create the sculpture entirely out of light, and it was important to all of us that we did it for real and in camera.
We created a cylindrical texture that moved through space, and slowly but surely over time, different frames of an animation were revealed using stop frame photography. Each photograph was a 20-second camera exposure, and the media server and cameras and motion control all had to work together in perfect sync.
Innovation is the core of Castrol's DNA. Castrol MAGNATEC uses layers of intelligent molecules to reduce engine wear. So any film that we make has to live up to those products and to be equally exciting and equally innovative.
This project, it's really ambitious, and despite it seeming quite simple in camera, there's an anechoic chamber, an engine, and essentially a light painting that surrounds it. But behind the scenes, there was an incredible amount of skills that came together. Mechatronics experts who work very closely with programmable LEDs, animators, sound designers, set designers, art department. All of the different disciplines came together, and it was like assembling a jigsaw puzzle with all the separate pieces slamming down and taking form in one hit.